continue. So the next property is particles of matter are made up of tiny particles, right? As we saw in the Brownian motion that particles of matter are made up of tiny particles, and even in potassium permanganate. These are the again two examples which will tell us that particles of matter is made up of tiny particles. Okay, for example, let me take again this whitener, right? This matter is made up of tiny particles combining. That is, atoms are combining to form molecules and molecules combine to form matter. This is how we can prove. Right? It is easy? Yes, it is very much easy to us. Okay, so let's concentrate on third property. Particles of matter have space between them. So how to prove this? Yes, I have an idea. Okay, this is water. We can see that I have filled 50 ml of water in a glass tube. Then I am going to add 1 cup full of salt into it. Okay, like this I am going to add. Okay, when I added, the salt started sitting at the below. Then with the help of spoon, stir it properly. Okay, let's mark the level. Now I am marking the level. This is this much level. When I started stirring, after mixing the salt, I think you will be confused why the level of water is the same as it was before. The answer is, that is, this activity can prove that particles of matter have space between them. When we dissolved salt into the solution, the level of water did not increase. Why? Because the property says that water has space so that salt can dissolve into it. For example, here again, so this is water. And when I added salt, started stirring, there will be some space in water, right? There will be some space as the molecules are a little bit far away from each other. When we add salt to it, the salt will absorb the living space in the water. For example, समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? It's very simple. तो और एक बार समझाती हूँ हिंदी. Okay, ये water है. Water के molecules थोड़ी दूर होते हैं. When we add salt to it, as there is space between them, so this space is acquired by the salt. This is simple. So with this activity, we can prove that particles of matter have space between them. Okay, let's concentrate and focus on the next property. Okay.